In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website. Adding pop-ups can be a powerful way to engage your visitors, whether it's welcoming them to your site, offering discounts, or collecting emails. Let's walk through the process together to make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to the website editor. Once you're in the editor, look towards the left side of the screen and find the plus icon. This is how we'll add new elements to your site. Click on this icon to open up a menu with different options. From there, select the Lightbox option. Lightboxes are the best choice for creating pop-ups because they're designed to float over the page content and grab attention. After selecting Lightbox, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Take your time to browse and find a style that aligns with your website's aesthetics. Once you've chosen a template, click on it, and Wix will add it to your site. This template will serve as the foundation for your pop-up. Now that you've got your Lightbox on the page, it's time to customize it. Double-click on the Lightbox to start editing. You can change text, images, colors, and more to tailor the pop-up to your needs. For example, if you're running a promotional campaign, you might want to highlight a special offer or discount. If you're aiming to capture visitor information, ensure your form fields are clearly marked. When you have finished customizing the visuals and text, the next step is to set the pop-up's timing. This is crucial because the right timing can significantly impact its effectiveness. To do this, click on the Settings option which appears on the toolbar when you have the Lightbox selected. You'll see an option to edit the Lightbox settings. Here, you can determine when the pop-up should appear, such as after a few seconds on the site, or when a visitor scrolls to a certain point. Select the timing that best suits your goals and audience behavior. Once your timing is set, it's important to think about how visitors will interact with your pop-up. You'll need to decide what should happen once a visitor engages with it. If you want, you can include a call to action button which redirects visitors to a specific page or submits their information. Just click on the button within the Lightbox and link it to your desired action or page. Preview your pop-up to ensure everything functions as expected. Just click on the Preview button at the top right corner of the editor. This allows you to see exactly how visitors will experience the pop-up. If it looks and operates as you want, you're ready for the final step. Finally, don't forget to hit Publish to make your changes live on the internet. Congratulations, you've successfully added a pop-up to your Wix website. With these pop-ups now in place, you're well equipped to engage and convert your site visitors like never before. Remember that you can always return and adjust your settings or content to optimize performance over time. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Wix site.